Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a custom phone frames using Canva. So if you want to level up your Canva design, here I'm going to show you how you can make custom phone frames in minutes for your designs. Well, let's just get started. Once you open your design here in Canva, you can just head to apps and search for this app. It's called phone frame. Okay, this one in here. Click on the app. Here you can create vibrant text with image backgrounds. So tap on open. And now you can just add the text for the phone frame. So for example, I'm going to just write delicious. In here you can change the font to the font that you want, and here you can choose the image, or you can also use this selected image. So I'm going to click on this image and tap on use selected image. Here, as you guys can see, you can adjust the image zoom like this and adjust the position. I'm going to go with this like this, and can scroll down again. Here you can change the outline. For example, I'm going to go with yellow. Right here it will change. Here you can also adjust the projection, shadow, and add special effects. So if you're done, you can just click on add to design. Okay, apparently this one is premium. Let's change it. Okay, you can just click on add to design now, and just like that, the phone frame will be added to your design. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.